everyone. Well, spring has finally sprung. Thank goodness. And the cameraman brought me in the first bouquet of lilacs from the yard. They are my favorites. I absolutely love the scent of lilacs. So let's get going, and today we'll celebrate spring. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva, and a big shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome aboard. I appreciate each and every one of you. Well, for those of you that follow me, you know I always try to get in character when I can. Do you like the flowers on my hair? I thought they were so perfect for celebrating spring. I thought we weren't even going to have a spring. It went from 40 degrees and snow to 90 degrees. Mother Nature has lifted her lid. But anyway, we're celebrating spring today. I have my flowers and my pink top and my pink earrings, and we're all set to go. Now, cameraman, how do you feel about spring?
I feel very sprung during spring.
What does that mean?
Hyper.
Hyper? You're hyper during spring?
Sure, all the flowers are budding and everything's getting happy and the grass is green. Oh! Let's make this short. I gotta mow the lawn today.
That's true. But it's raining. You can't mow the lawn today.
I'll carry an umbrella.
Oh my God. All right. So I think we're going to get started. For those of you that follow me, you know that one of my favorite desserts are anything that contains almond or almond paste. Oh, cookies with almond paste, pastries with almond paste. Oh, I just love almond paste. So I decided today I wanted to make almond squares, and they are with almond paste. And what I think I'm going to do is I purchased my almond paste, and let me tell you, this little 8-ounce box of almond paste, $8 in the store. Can you believe it? It's crazy. So I know it is very easy to make your own almond paste. I haven't done it yet, but I plan on doing it very soon. And when I do, I'll come on board to show you. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees. And then we're going to grease a 9x13 pan, which I've already done. We're going to start putting our ingredients for the first layer in my mixer. So what you need to do first is you need to cream your butter and your sugar. So you're going to need 1 cup of butter, which is actually 2 sticks, and that's of softened butter. So let me get those in there. Put the other one in. Okay, here we go. Got that in. That's right. And next we're going to put in our sugar, and it's 1 cup of granulated sugar. Alrighty, move that over to the side, and I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar together. So let me get that going. Just scrape the sides a little. So how you been, cameraman?
I've been fine.
Yeah. For those of you that are new subscribers, you may not be aware that I have a cameraman, AKA my husband. And he's a good guy. I wouldn't be able to talk and bake and have you see me at the same time if it wasn't for him. So thank you, cameraman.
You're welcome, Diva.
All right, so I'm creaming the butter and the sugar. Okie dokies. Next, I'm going to add 1 egg. So let me get that egg in there. And I'm going to mix that. I'm going to blend it well. Don't you just love these flowers? I thought you might think I was like dressing like a fairy, but no. I've decided I want to be spring diva today. So let me get that egg mixed up in there. Okay, now I'm going to add to that mixture 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So let me get that in there. I don't know why I'm not putting the mixer down, right, cameraman?
No, just use
Make it a lot easier.
Just use a spoon, that's all.
Yeah, okay. So now I'm going to incorporate all these ingredients together. Woo! Didn't put my apron on today. And start it out on slow and then speed it up so you don't have flour all over the place. For those of you that have inquired about my knee surgery, I'm doing great. I stopped physical therapy. They told me to do it at home, and I joined a gym so I could get in the pool. My doctor said to me, get in the water. Diva, get in the water. Walk, dance, get in the water. So they had a special for senior divas at the spa. And so I joined, and I've been to 2 water aerobic sessions already. It's a lot of fun. I love it. And I met a lot of new people, and I'm going again tomorrow. And I'm walking without pain, so the diva can get back to her shopping. Right, cameraman?
That's what I was afraid of.
All right, so let me just get this incorporated. While that's mixing, I'm going to bring over the 9x13 pan that I already greased. Make sure you grease your pan generously. And your mixture here is going to be very thick. And that's just what it's supposed to be. Alrighty, we load the bowl. Get the mixture off the beater. And push this heavy baby aside. Alrighty. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my mixture into my pan. That's going to be the first layer. Is anybody else out there like almond? I just love it. Oh, I love those soft, chewy almond cookies. Oh, they're so good. Even Danish. Oh, and one thing that is fantastic. Trader Joe's sells it certain times of the year. It's called, remember cameraman, crinkle something? Oh, it comes in a big, long bag. They have a couple of different flavors for different times of the year, but it's some type of a crinkle, it's called. And it's so good. Oh, it's loaded with almond paste. All right, so I'm going to put this into my pan. My hands are clean. And then I'm going to spread it out so the bottom of the pan is all covered. I guess you could say it's sort of the crust, of the almond squares. All right, so let me, off camera, get this spread into the bottom of this dish, and then I'll be back to show you our next step. Alrighty, I spread the mixture onto the bottom of the pan, and now I'm going to go into my next step. So let me move this out of the way. here comes my favorite part. We are going to add 3/4 cup of almond paste to our mixture. And I measured it out, and actually this box came out to 3/4 cup, so I used the whole box. So let me put that into the mixer. It's very thick almond paste, as you can see. Put the rest in. Oh, heaven! Oh, there's my grandfather clock chiming. All right, 3/4 cup of the almond paste, 2 eggs, a 1/2 cup of sugar, granulated sugar. We need some almond extract because we can never have enough almond. And this is going to be, let me see, 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Okay. And last but not least, what was last but not least? 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to mix all of this together. Oh, woo, the angels are singing with that almond smell. Now after I get all of this mixed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread it on the top of my first layer. You think I'm kidding? I absolutely love almond. Don't get me wrong. There's other things I love. I love chocolate desserts. My favorite pastry is cannolis because I'm Italian. But almond, do you like almond, Cameraman?
I think so.
Let me just mix this a little bit more. Let me get the sides scraped down so we get it all incorporated. And while I'm thinking of it, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below, press that little red subscribe and the little bell next to it, and that's all there is to it. You'll be a subscriber, and the bell will let YouTube know to notify you the next time I have a video up. And I love my subscribers, and it helps my channel to grow. So press that subscribe button. We're almost done here. I want to get it mixed very well because the almond powder is thick. You want to get that incorporated. Looks like it's almost done here. Okay. Let me lower the bowl. Now this is going to be a smooth, more of a liquidy consistency. The other one was your crust and it was thick. So let me just move my beater out of the way here. I'm really tempted to lick it, but I won't. I'll be a lady today. So let me pour this on top. You want to get all of your crust covered. Maybe I'll skip lunch today. Maybe I'll just have a few almond bars. Hold me over till dinner. All right, so once I get this on top and it's all spread over evenly, I'm going to bake it in my 325 degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And I will put this recipe below in the description box. If you make it, let me know what you thought. And don't forget, leave comments in my description box. I love to read my comments, and I always try my best to respond to anyone and everyone. I feel if you take the time out of your busy schedule to leave me a comment, then you deserve an answer. So alrighty, I'm spreading this on top and I'm popping it in the oven and I'll be back after it's baked. Alrighty, I'm back. Took the bars out of the oven. They took about 35 minutes. You should let them cool down before you cut them. Mine are slightly warm, but I want you to see what they look like. So I'm going to cut mine now. Almond bars. You anxious to have one, cameraman?
Of course.
Still a little warm. When you cut yours, you're going to let yours cool. Take this out. There we go. Looking good. I didn't bring myself a fork. What's the matter with you, Diva? I'm gonna cut a little piece off here. Let's see what this baby tastes like. Delicious. Tastes like a little bit of a cookie crust with an almond filling. But the almond, surprisingly enough, is not real strong. It's just right. So I want to thank everybody for watching my spring almond bar video. And don't forget, go down below and subscribe. I hope to see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Toodles!